Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya and you're watching Maya Luna Corazon. I know today this video actually is not going to be any tutorial or anything that you would expect me to do, but today it's just going to show you my surrounding, and here I am in Thailand. I'm trying to find a place to shoot that the light is good, and yeah, I want to have a nice background, but just because it's so hot right now, if I have to go on the beach. But I have a video that I can show you here. Yesterday, I went down to the ocean and swim with this Coração bikini set that I made when I was in Brazil. And yeah, many of you ask me if this yarn can go into the water. Now you can see that actually can go to the water. I also have another bikini set, Athena Goddess bikini set that I made when I was in Germany, and I published it I think earlier this month when I was in Krabi, when I already arrived in Thailand. Here I am in Got Phangan. I don't know if you all know about this place. It's very beautiful. I am not from here, from Bangkok originally, but I love this place. And every time I come here, I just, wow, I cannot stop myself to just go swim every single day. And today I just want to answer some questions that some of you have left the questions for me on Facebook group, and also to show you my surrounding. I always come here. This is my third time staying in this resort, and I love it here so much. Also, I did already the first women's circle last week on this chala. As you can see, it's so beautiful. I'm offering also, when I'm here, I'm offering weekly women's circle. Some of you don't know it yet. Besides as an artist or crochet designer, I am also working as spiritual mentor. I work with women and I also work with men, but this year more and more I want to concentrate on working with women, because I feel that there's so many things that many of us don't want to talk about, or even to touch on this topic or share about this, and especially when it comes to our womb. If you want to know more about this work, I put the link down in description box under this video for you, so that you can learn about my work on mayaearthsky.com. I actually it's not only in Thailand that I offer this work. I also offer this work in Germany, in South America, everywhere that I go. But just it's so special for me to come back to my home country and be able to share this medicine, this work, this healing to people here, because it's my homeland. And every time I drum my medicine drum, I sing the song, and these words come through me. I sing a lot in Thai lately, and I really love the energy that work through me. So yeah, if you were interested in this work, just check out my mayaearthsky.com. But today I want to actually stay into this crochet and travel channel with you. As you already know, I love to travel. So let's start with the question that I got from you. This first question actually from Sally, is my beautiful sister from Facebook group, like a dear sister to me. Sally is amazing crochet artist. She has been tested many design for me in the past years, and also always helping me in the group when I'm away, when I'm travel. She always there and help me to answer the question when the members have questions. So if you're part of the group, you probably know who Sally is. And if you're not yet part of the group, you can find out in my group at on Facebook. You go on Facebook on the search bar, and then you can just type Crochet Tribe Maya Luna Corazon. I can also put the link in this description box for you. Oh my God, I didn't talk to the microphone. I didn't talk to the camera for some time now, and I get a little bit nervous. Anyway, so she asked me, why don't I take the job as a photographer as my profession? Let's say that. That's what I remember. That's what she asked me, because I love taking photos so much. And now actually being here in the last circle, working with a woman, I have been working with a woman for a decade. I think this year gonna be my 10 years now holding the space. I start actually in Thailand, and yeah, the story go on. I have a friend, I don't know if you see him. A dog here drinking water. So after that conversation, I decided, why not? Yeah, I love taking picture, and I wanted to be like capture the emotions of women. And it came to me naturally. I went to bed, and it just came to me, inner goddess photography, and it was like, yeah, this is it. I wanted to be part of a sister to express her emotions, either joy or sadness or whatever emotions that arise. I think it's so powerful that we not run away or try to fix or change or shift anything when the emotions arrive, but rather allow it to be there and allow it to express and let it go. I think in our society, either in Asia or in European country, I mean, I live in Germany, so I actually work with many women who have anxiety and depression, and I think that it comes from not express herself openly or just have this fear of being seen. And I think this project of taking photo of the emotions that she has, it will help to be able to express more. And I feel like this is so aligned with what I do. And yeah, I'm going to do this as my new project and see what comes. And to be honest, I'm so excited. I already shoot one photograph, not one photograph. I already have one first session with my best friend. She's from Australia. She came to visit me last week, and as you can see, this is a photo I shoot the other day, and I really love the emotions that shows through this image. And tomorrow I have another session with another sister who was here in my circle last week. So I'm so excited because I feel like when we open ourselves for the opportunity to come, we open ourselves to the gift that inside of us or whatever that want to burst through us. We open the door to our own unique self, you know. Like, you don't have to be perfect. Like, I want to take photograph of women. I'm not professional photographer, but because I love doing that so much, and it doesn't matter what other people think of me. The matter is that I feel good doing it, and I know that I have a good intentions, and I want to share this with the women that come across my path. And that's it. Life is a platform of, is, you know, it's an open space. You can do anything you want to do. You can express yourself the way you want to do. And I feel like, just like how I become a crochet designer also, I never studied design, and now I have been create so many designs in the past few years to share with you. And I feel like, again, if you don't hide and learn to express rather than suppress, then you can see that you have already so much in you. And let's see how far this journey will take me. I'm just so excited with this project right now. I will share more photos. You can see my photos on Instagram. I have Maya Luna Coração, which relate to crochet, and Maya Earth Sky, which relate to my healing work. Also, Inner Goddess Photography will be sharing on Maya Earth Sky, because this is part of the healing work as well. And another question from another member, I save it here, but I'm just gonna speak out of what I remember. She asked me about how to set up to make a YouTube video. I can just tell you now, I started 2 years ago from filming from my telephone. Actually, I have Samsung S7 before, but now I changed to Samsung 9 Plus. However, you can use any smartphone that have a good camera, and you can just use your phone to film all the video that you want. You can also have an extra microphone. Extra microphone is very good, especially when you do a tutorial, so that the people who watch you can understand better. My first, I think, few videos, I didn't have a microphone, and it's so hard to hear. After that, I start to use a microphone, and it's better because you don't have to like yelling all the time, and you can just speak in the normal volume. Although I speak very loud when it comes to filming video or holding the space, because I like to speak from my willpower but not my throat. And if you want to know more about how to speak from the willpower and not the throat, just comment down below and I can talk about that and share that tips with you. So yeah, you can film with your smartphone, and you can also use your phone to edit your video. I have been using a Power Director to edit all of my videos in the past years. Just the last few videos, when I have my new computer, I use the the software that come with my Mac, I forgot the name right now. iMovie. Yeah, iMovie is very easy to use. But I really like to use Power Director because it's so easy. I can just work anywhere I am, everywhere I am. I just have my phone and my headphone on. And that's it. It's so easy to do. You just need to have a fast internet and you can just do everything with your smartphone. Although at this moment, this video I'm filming with my Canon EOS, and I love it because I love this small camera, and also it's best for photo shooting as well. I put the link down for you if you want to check how much it costs. I think I pay around 700 euro, but it's worth it because it takes great photos and as well as video. I also have a Rode mic right now attached with the camera. I put everything for you so you can see it by yourself. You want to start with your smartphone or get a proper camera. I put everything down in description box below. But definitely you can just start with your smartphone and see how it goes for you, how you like it, and if you think this is going to be your career as a YouTuber, then you can invest with a proper camera. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. What kind of video you want me to make. Also, someone asked me to make a video dedicated to my tattoo, if I have a tattoo, story behind my tattoo. And also, I wanted to talk about how I wash my crochet pieces when I'm here, as you know, in Thailand or everywhere else that's not in Germany. If you're interested, I can also make video about that. And yeah, I would love to make a tutorial, but now it's super busy because I'm doing the work here, the healing work, and also I have many friends coming to visit, and I have only 6 weeks here, so I just want to enjoy my time here as much as possible. But any other videos that you want me to do that not tutorial, just feel free to list them down below, and I will just do that to share it with you, to find my time to film and share it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy filming it for you. Give this video a thumb up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And this top is Flower of Life. If you don't know it yet, I have a written pattern on my Ravelry and Etsy. You find also the link down here. And for the bikini in this video underwater, I have a free video tutorial for you, both bikini top and bikini bottom. I will put the link for you as well. Alright, I see you next video. Stay beautiful, be beautiful as you are. Mwah. Bye.